Before you sign paperwork on a used F-150, you need to know that 3 specific years quietly drain thousands from unsuspecting buyers. The problem is not obvious during the test drive, which is exactly why most people never see the financial hit coming.
I've watched confident buyers celebrate their purchase, only to face repair bills that completely change their opinion months later.
These trucks do not fail immediately, which makes the mistake feel harmless at first and extremely expensive later. What makes these years dangerous is not immediate failure, but the slow pattern of repeat issues that appear just outside warranty coverage. Let's begin with the 2013 teen model year, a truck many buyers still confidently consider a safe investment. It delivers strong towing capability and solid performance numbers, which builds long-term confidence in mechanical reliability. However, after 100,000 miles, timing chains stretch and cam phaser noise begin appearing more often than expected. Most buyers don't lose money at purchase, they lose it months later when a $3,000 repair suddenly appears. This is where many owners realize the truck was not a bad purchase, but it was not the safe investment they assumed. The 2018 model year feels refined and modern, especially because of the newer 10-speed automatic transmission. During short test drives, everything feels smooth, which convinces most buyers that long-term durability is practically guaranteed. But valve body failures and inconsistent shifting patterns often begin quietly before drivers recognize early warning symptoms. Once ignored, those symptoms frequently turn into transmission rebuilds, averaging $4,500 in real-world repair costs. When multiple small issues stack together over time, the total repair cost quietly surpasses what buyers originally budgeted. The model year that shocks confident buyers most is the 2015, particularly early production builds. The aluminum body redesign reduced weight significantly, giving buyers confidence that it represented major engineering improvement. However, early electronic glitches and sensor-related issues caused repeat service visits that frustrated even responsible owners. The issue rarely feels catastrophic, yet repeated unexpected expenses slowly erode the value buyers believe they secured. And this is the critical difference between a manageable ownership experience and a financially frustrating one. If you already own one of these years, that does not automatically mean financial disaster is inevitable. Early maintenance, fluid servicing, and paying attention to subtle warning signs dramatically reduces the risk of major repair costs. Most expensive breakdowns begin as small, ignored symptoms, not sudden, catastrophic mechanical explosions. In the next video, I will explain which F-150 model years consistently reach 300,000 miles with proper maintenance. Because while some years require caution, others quietly prove themselves as long-term, dependable investments.